technical services, and becoming high-performance laminated materials leader. The company Chang Universal Mat, cushion pads, Japanese metallurgical steel plates, Swedish Hardax laminated carrier plates. Our products are applied to high-end industries such as CCL, PCB, FPC, IC carrier boards, new energy, aluminum substrate, etc. As the only one large-scale manufacturer of laminating process supporting products domestically and internationally, offers comprehensive one-stop services that enhance production quality and reduce costs effectively. Emphasizing the technological innovation, the company has fostered a research and development team known for its innovative spirit and expertise. Through continuous research and development, the company has translated technological leadership into distinct product advantages.